Hari Om students. Today we are going to talk about chapter 6 Introduction to Word Processor. In this chapter we will discuss about the OpenOffice Writer. Before going to OpenOffice Writer, first we will discuss about the what do you mean by word processor, what are the usage of word processor, what are the different types of word processors are there, and etc. Word processor is a activity carried out using a computer and select the suitable software. It is mainly used to create the application or edit the application or manipulate or transmit the application, and also which is used to store and retrieve the data from the system. Each document contains text, tables, graphs, etc., and also includes pictures, drawings, and etc. Some of the examples of word processor is MS Word, StarOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, Lotus Ambi Pro, WordPerfect, WordStar, and etc. Tamil word processors such as Kanban 3.0, MenTamil 2017, LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, and etc. Next concept is sources. Sources such as proprietary sources and open sources. Proprietary sources means paying some amount to get that application, and also these applications are not accessed and solely owned by individual or publisher only, but in open source software is freely available to all, whose source code is available for anybody to access and modify it. This is the difference between proprietary software and open source software. For example, for proprietary software is MS Word, WPS Word, Word Pro. MS Word is developed by Microsoft Corporation, WPS is developed by Kingsoft, Word Pro is developed by Lotus Corporation. Example for open source application is OpenOffice Writer, LibreOffice Writer, and AmbiWord. OpenOffice Writer is developed by Apache. The developer of LibreOffice Writer is the Document Foundation. The AmbiWord application is developed by AbiSource. These are all the example of open source and proprietary source applications. Next concept is OpenOffice. It includes number of applications. Example: OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Calc, OpenOffice Draw, OpenOffice Base, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Formula. OpenOffice Writer is one of the word processor application which is mainly used to create the documents. OpenOffice Calc is used to do the calculations. It is one of the spreadsheet application. OpenOffice Draw is a paint application, that is drawing software. OpenOffice Formula is used to create the formula and equations. OpenOffice Base is a database application. Today we will discuss about the OpenOffice Writer and its features. In this office suite, OpenOffice Writer is a word processor which is mainly used to edit or modify the document, and also it contains store, retrieve, and print the documents, etc. The next concept is features of word processor. It contains number of features, for example spell checking and correcting the mistakes, and also it includes some applications, built-in drawing tools, some templates, and also includes the frames, and also contains embedding graphics, spreadsheets, etc. Another important feature is master document, that is a collection of documents are grouped into a single document. Okay, and also database integration and easily convert the document into PDF, that is export to PDF. Next one is how to download the OpenOffice Office Suite. Already I told it is one of the open source application. So you just give that web address and download this application, that is http://www.openoffice.org. After downloading the application, how to open the OpenOffice Writer? First you click the start button and then select the all programs and then select OpenOffice, and submenus are appeared. You select OpenOffice Writer or double click the OpenOffice icon on the desktop. Okay, the images look like this. In this image all the applications are displayed. You select the text document, that is OpenOffice Writer. Okay, and then create the document. In Windows, the opening screen is called as desktop, as same as the opening screen of OpenOffice Writer is Start Center. Okay, this is the one of the 1 mark question. Okay, you just open the document, just click file menu and then select the new option and then select text document from the submenus. Okay, the elements of Windows are discussed in next class. Okay, thank you students.